We're about to see one of the largest intergenerational shifts in wealth that we've ever seen in history. We've got a whole bunch of baby boomers who presently own businesses who are nearing retirement and will be looking to exit. A recent survey found that 64% of those baby boomers would like to sell their business, but 59% of them have no plan to make sure that they sell them. We've also got 55% of those same baby boomers who think they're going to work past the retirement age. And this is the same group of people who have most of their wealth tied up in their business. So on average, aside from the family home and your personal assets, 80% of a business owner's wealth is tied up in their business. So for those guys, if they're nearing the retirement age and have no plan to sell their business, they're going to be in a spot of bother. My name's Hamish and I'm a director here at IIF Chartered Accountants. We're focused on really helping business owners to increase the value of their business and get the cash that they need for their retirement. For some people that means business coaching, for other people that means specific projects to help them increase the value of their business, such as a pricing review which not only increases the profitability of their company today but also the long-term value. So before we get into any particular project like a pricing review with a client, we make sure that they understand how business valuations come together and the impact that the project they're about to undertake will have on the value of their business longer term. So over the coming video series, I want to touch on what it means to do nothing with the sale of your business, so what it means for you if you don't have a plan to sell your business. In the second video I want to touch on how business valuations come together, and in the third I want to talk to you about how you unlock the single biggest tax-free source of income that you'll probably ever earn. So if your business has $110,000 in it today, so that's going to be made up of some cash in the bank, some people who owe you money, some people you owe money to, the IRD, you'll have some plant and equipment that's on your books at being worth something, and you might also have some finance on that plant and equipment. If you don't have a plan to sell your business, you're going to shut the doors and walk away. In that sort of situation, you're going to keep the cash you've got in the bank because it's your cash today. Your debtors, you'll be lucky to recover 70% of them, so you're going to lose a fair chunk of those debtors, so your 150 might become 105. You're going to have to pay your creditors, you're certainly going to have to pay the IRD. You'll sell your plant and equipment if you're lucky. For most people they end up getting scrap value for it, so your plant and equipment's worth nothing. And you're still going to have to pay the finance company back because otherwise they're going to chase you personally for it. All of a sudden the business owner who thought they were going to walk away with $110,000 ends up walking away with the thick end of $15,000 if they're lucky. So the cost of not having a plan to sell their business is huge. The quality of their retirement is significantly impacted on, and that's why we can't emphasize enough the importance of having a plan to sell your business. So the question for you today is, what would you get if you walked away from your business? How much would you be left with? And hopefully that gives you the motivation to come up with a plan. From there, get in touch with us and we're happy to put that together for you. Otherwise, check out our ebook, which you can find underneath this video, to help you sell your business successfully. Otherwise, check out the next video in this video series. Thanks for watching.